Okay, so now we're going to work the right side in horizontally. I'm going to take my section completely across, work it completely across, put the comb underneath, grab your guideline from the back. I'm going to grab my guideline and comb right over the top and come completely straight across through the front. Working that completely across. Now, what you're looking for is to create a square, flat line working from the back through to the front. So we have a whole section across. I'm going to comb from underneath, and the reason why I want to comb from underneath is I want to make sure that I get enough lift that I'm combing into my previous section. Because if you just comb from the top, you're going to wind up holding this hair too far down. My last section, all the way across, comb from underneath to get some lift again, and then comb over the top. All the way across, a flat, square line. And you can see how you create your layers all in one go. But the whole idea again is comb from underneath first to get your lift, then comb down. Because again, if you just take all this hair and comb it straight down like so, in another section and comb it straight down, you're going to wind up holding this too heavy and you're going to wind up with too much weight. So now I'm going to just come through my sides, cross check. And again, it's just a cross check, it's not a cross cut. I'm just going to slightly clean up all that outline here. All those interior layers, just cleaning them up, making sure that it's nice and consistent. If it's not, then always go back in the way you originally cut it. And work that right to behind the ear. Okay, so what we're going to work on now is we're going to work in our top. Now, we've worked a lot of haircuts by over-directing back, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to grab a